Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a quick review on Hume AI. This is Hume AI. Now what it does is to create AI voices that understand emotional expression. You give right prompts to generate AI voices, change emotions and more. For example, a Gen Z TikTok fashion influencer with a rich, soothing, energetic voice. And you can choose mysterious woman, inspiring man, you can see so many. You tell the voice, you describe the script you want. This is the emotions, and then you can ask it to randomize and you generate. It's as simple as that. We have that for text to speech. We also have speech to speech. Also by a lot of companies, you can see them, and industries. We have the text to speech system that understands what it's saying, called Octava. It isn't a traditional text to speech model, it's a voice based LLM. That means it understands what words mean in context so it can predict emotions, cadence, and more. You can create any voice you can imagine with Octave voice design. Create any AI voice you can imagine, like this sarcastic medieval peasant with a brief prompt or evocative script. So you just ask it and to give it to you. You want to listen to a sarcastic medieval peasant? Click here. So you have any emotions or speaking style on command, it will give you. It will take natural language instructions to change emotional delivery and speaking style. Give directions like sound sarcastic or whisper fearfully. So for the first time, creators have total control. It's for creators and developers alike. It was built to generate the most expressive AI voices for any context. Podcast, voiceover, audiobooks, and more. With their API, you can bring it to any application. The research foundation models and how to align them with human well-being. So you can see more about it here. So you get real-time interaction. Based on the new voice-to-voice AI model architecture, EV2 can converse rapidly and fluently, understand the user's tone of voice and generates an appropriate tone of voice automatically. It's capable of emulating a wide range of personalities, accents, and speaking styles. It can replace or integrate with other elements. Want to learn more? Click here. So there's so many great things. You can explore EV2's capabilities if you want. So many things. You can also, it's also built for developers, like we said earlier. You can interact with synthetic voices and personalities. So many great things. You can see talk to Kara, talk to Stella. Yeah, these are the voices. It's also optimized for human well-being, like we said, so you can build AI voices people can trust. If you want more resources, you can check them out here. So, like we said, it has a lot of great products like text-to-speech, emphatic voice interface, that is EVI, expression management API, conversational voice, and TTS Creator Studio. So give it a try today.